But I think I had reached a point where I was not willing to turn back, and I desperately needed attention for my knee. Primarily also because my family has a history of arthritis. See, there are today a lot of people who are turning to Ayurvedic medicine. Uh, to be very honest with you, Swamiji, I'm first of all not a very doctor person. I have never really had a history of going to many doctors. Even if I have a fever or a cold or a cough, it's a message for me that, well, your body needs rest, so I will take a couple of tablets and I will go to sleep and I'm all right within a day or two. Um, I think first of all, it's really to do with the fact that I have an attitude that I want to be, that I am healthy, I will be healthy. And then everything else follows. So if something very serious happens to me, something like the knee pain that happened, then that is probably the one time I will actually galvanize myself and go toward in search of a doctor. Otherwise, by and large, I am not much of a person who will be very frequently seen with a doctor, or I'm not a patient kind of a person. In fact, I think I was seeking a doctor after many years. I never really needed to have it. Um, Having said that, I know personally because let me also be very honest with you. This is the first time I'm taking Ayurvedic treatment in my life.
But it's not Ayurvedic what you have taken.
Okay,
It's
whatever.
a jungle herbal.
Yeah, herbal.
Jungle herb.
Otherwise, I used to take homeopathic. So I have always been towards alternative medicine. It is not just one kind. So I will always probably go looking for what really will cure, rather than going to what generally people would. In fact, people asked me to go and x-ray it and go to a bone specialist. They said all kinds of things. I didn't go anywhere. I straight came looking for.
Okay, however, you met some important, good qualified doctors and then high-tech hospitals also.
I didn't go to any high-tech place. I did go to the Art of Living place. I was only given a very cursory look, and they said, "Oh, it's fine. You will get cured. You don't have to worry. Do X, Y, Z." And that's it. I was left to myself. They didn't even give me the medicine. They just gave me a chit and they said, "Go to Jayanagar and buy these medicines." And I was very disappointed because I thought it was a very cruel way of examining a patient. And so I said, then I think there's something wrong. All these big names may actually have no real meaning in it. Another person I went to, a couple of other persons I went to, are people who, one person in fact I've known him for a very long time, and the other person was recommended fairer. I feel more energetic.
But you said that Shuddha Shaucha was working very well. Shuddha Shaucha.
Yes, but it is,
stomach cleaning.
yeah, it's not working much now for me. I don't know what is the reason for it. Could be its role in the treatment is over. Maybe now I should look for something else as far as clearing my stomach is concerned. Probably.
You can have alternative medicine. We have alternative also.
Okay.
It is in liquid form, it is in oily form, it is in ghee form.
Okay.
So like that different
Okay.
because since you have started non-veg, so either the quantity is to be increased or you have to change.
Okay.
So non-veg will create constipation.
Constipation. Yeah, that I'm aware of.
Then anything you wanted to give message to viewers apart from this?
I think I've already stated it, that people need to have faith in their own self. They should have an attitude that they want to be healthy. And not to get taken away, carried away by surroundings. I think one of the things people must keep in mind is the more high-tech a building looks, the more expensive even the most simple thing will be. Even a consultation for a doctor will be for nothing, for 2 minutes. For example, this one of the Ayurvedic doctors I went to, who just gave a cursory look at that at my knee and said okay, and that lady spent exactly 5 minutes with me. Consultation for a fee was 250 rupees only because this place has a big name. So I think people should not get carried away by that. And however, having said all this, I do think fact is, it has to be seriously addressed, is what I would say. You will not find people like me. Sorry, Swami.
So
who is
we
very
don't want-
patient and very open. I think you will not find. So I think you should not even expect it. 99% of people will be the other kind.
That is their fate, what to do. When they won't realize the practical thing, they will see only show off. That is their fate.
Yeah, but that's 99% of people in the world are like that. So if you
So
want to go
usually
after
the
that one
patients who
person,
came for migraine treatment, by hearing with somebody, or somebody might have printed and distributed the pamphlet that I am cured with this, with that only they will come.
correct.
And then they will see here. Then the picture is different. But they won't see the practical things.
Yeah,
It will, everywhere, in every country, every time, that will be.
yeah, that's bound to happen.
It will go by name.
Yes,
If a cinema actor, a popular star comes, means lakhs of people will gather.
yeah, that's right.
And they will not get anything out of it. It is only a marketing, advertisement, and then popular thing.
Yeah,
That cannot be corrected by us. So it is their fate what to do. Okay, all the best then.
Thank you,
Anything
Swami.
you wanted to say, left out things, anything?
No, I don't think I've left out
You are
anything.
totally happy.
Yes, I'm happy. Thank you.
Then this last week or before last week, you said something, you found swollen again.
Yeah, it's gone.
Automatically gone.
It is gone, yeah, on its own. I discovered that it was because I tried to do an yogasana. And I put pressure on my knee without giving it enough. See, one of the things that had happened is that obviously because I was not using my knee too much during the treatment process, it had gone stiff. It took me some 6 months before I could learn to go back to sitting cross-legged. So I was trying to sit in Vajrasana, which is my favorite asana, and I'm still not able to sit in it.
Without
So-
putting any padding below.
No, with padding. I was doing it on the bed. So I guess that it is not yet ready for it. It will take time, but I'm what my exercise regimen is walk and yoga with a very little bit of.
You are going dancing now?
No, I don't. I realized I cannot go back to it, which is okay. It doesn't matter to me. I can always go back to lighter dancing, but not the heavy classical dance, which is okay.
Lighter dance is okay.
Is okay.
Now, just now you said that structure has to come out, the decent look and then high-tech building, all those things. See, what is your contribution for that?
I think I've told you also before that unless and until I can convince my husband about it, I will not do anything secretly. And it has to come willingly, two of us together, and that is where it stands. I think if I was alone, I would have probably done it. But I always like to keep everything very open with my husband because he's a very open person with me, whatever his attitudes or as a person he may be, but with me he has a relationship that is very open, and I will not do anything that will hurt him
Without
his
knowledge.
Yes, absolutely. I'm very clear about that. The day he feels convinced, yes, Usha, you give, and yes, I will willingly come and give, but it has to be both of us together.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
ಗದಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ